Meet the Park family, Daniel and June, their two kids, Tyler and Eva, and their dog, Jasper. The Subaru Forester they've been leasing, aka the Blue Yonder, is part of the family too. The Parks have a big decision coming up. Their lease is ending soon, and they're ready to explore their options at the local Subaru retailer. The Parks love the Blue Yonder, but have considered leasing a new Subaru. They looked at the latest Subaru models and talked to their retailer about loyalty offers available with Subaru Motors Finance. The next step would be to find their new vehicle on the retailer lot or submit a pre-order for one from the factory and arrange the drop-off for their current vehicle. With Subaru's flexible lease terms and mileage options, the Parks could enjoy a new Subaru. If the Parks need more time to get the new Subaru they want, or just want more time with the Blue Yonder, they can consider a second option and extend their current lease. They'd send a request through the Secure Message Center on chase.com or call the Lease End Department at 1-866-401-9743 to see if they qualify for a one-time, 6-month lease term extension on their current lease. Once approved, the Parks can turn in their vehicle at any time during the 6-month period without incurring early termination charges. A third option for the Parks family would be purchasing their current leased Subaru by signing into the Chase Auto website to apply for lease purchase financing or calling the Lease End Department at 1-866-401-9743 to take the next steps to purchasing the Blue Yonder. There's one last option. The Parks could turn in the Blue Yonder. To get started, they'd follow the checklist on the Subaru Motors Finance website to prepare the vehicle and schedule a turn-in time. They can even set up a complimentary pre-inspection up to 45 days before the turn-in date, so they're aware of any potential lease-end charges and decide whether to make repairs. These inspections are completed by an independent company and can take place at the Parks' home, at the office, or another location. Will the Parks hold on to the Blue Yonder or take the plunge and welcome a new Subaru into the family? Now that they've considered their options, it's up for discussion, and Jasper may have to cast the tie-breaking vote. Contact your retailer to discuss your next steps.